Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will reveal you my complete portfolio and tell you how much money did I exactly lose in October. As you are all aware, we had quite a meltdown in stocks and my portfolio felt it really intensively, let's put it that way. So I will compare value of every single of my positions at the last day of October to the first day of October. And you will see how much this meltdown impacted my positions. We will go really fast, so sit tight and enjoy the video. Before we move on, just a quick recap of my portfolio. It is sitting right now at around 22% return year to date, compared to almost 33% return at the middle of October. So yeah, I went down around 9%. But compared to the S&P 500, I am performing really good. And as you can see, my cash position actually went down quite substantially, because 2 days ago I was buying heavily, and that is what I intend to keep doing in this meltdown. Without further delay, this is my first position, Berkshire Hathaway. I had 20 stocks. And at the beginning of October it was trading at around $213 to $214, and now it is trading a little above 200. So as you can see, I lost $180 this month on this position, and to be honest, it wasn't even close to being my worst performing stock this month, unfortunately. So let's go on. Cirrus Logic, as you can see here, actually didn't move at all. If we compare last day of October to the first day of October, you can actually see Pyramid in the middle of October, because it went all the way up to $73, but it went actually down soon after that. So on monthly comparison, it didn't budge. So we can just skip that one. Then my third position is Dropbox. I actually have 400 shares of Dropbox, and it went down for about $1.20. If I multiply that with 400 stocks, I lost almost $500 on this position, unfortunately. This has been actually one of my worst performing positions if we take into consideration how much money did I lose on it. But I really believe in this company long term. Next week they are going to report third quarter earnings, and I'm really hyped about it. So next company is Equinox Gold. It also went down this month from $11.8 to a little bit about $10.60. And I think this has been my worst performing stock this month actually. But Equinox Gold is a gold company which is increasing their production rapidly, extremely fast. I think their average growth in production of gold annually is more than 30%. Their balance sheet is extremely good. All of their capital expenditures are fully funded from cash on their balance sheet. So I don't have any doubt in this company, and especially in the management of this company. So next position is actually Facebook. As you can see on this chart, Facebook has been quite volatile. First it went up fast based on Snapchat results. Then after they report a few days ago, actually they reported one of the best earnings that I've ever seen. But stock went down day after it. So I lost around $3 per share, and since I have 20 shares, that would be $60. In total we are already above $1,000. You can see that actually I lost $1,300, and we are not even halfway through my portfolio. Oh my god, look at the next stock. Next stock is actually Intel Corporation. So when I bought 50 stocks, they were trading at around $22 to $23, and now they are at $44. So I lost $8 per stock, which means that Intel is the reason why my portfolio last month decreased by $400. Novo Nordisk is actually a company whose stocks I bought 2 days ago, so we can just skip that because price hasn't moved from when I bought them. Then we have PRDO. This has been a company with, I almost can say, perfect balance sheet and really good business model. Their revenue are growing, their income are growing, their operating income are growing, free cash flow, they are buying back stocks. They have a ton of cash on their balance sheet, but stock has been going down and down. And this month I lost $300 on PRDO. Then we're coming to Revolve. I actually counted only 150 stock of Revolve because I bought 100 stocks of Revolve on Friday. So it wouldn't be fair to count loss on those stocks because actually stock price didn't move after I bought them. Unfortunately, because Revolve was trading at around $17 at the beginning of this month, and now they are a little bit above 18. So what happened is actually this is my only position in this month which is in green. I actually earned $100 this month on Revolve stocks. And then at the end we have VeriSign. I have only 10 stocks of this company, and I lost around $17 on those. So at total I lost more than $2,000 this month. Bear in mind my portfolio is worth around $44,000. So to lose $2,000 in 1 month is really harmful to my portfolio, and it is a really huge amount for me personally. If I compare my results at the end of this month, to the middle of this month, which actually was peak in my portfolio, I actually went to more than $48,000 at one moment in the middle of this month, last month, excuse me. The loss would be actually around $4,000. So I lost $2,000 if we compare my portfolio to the beginning of October. But if we compare it to the peak of my portfolio, which happened at the middle of October, actually I lost around $4,000 this month. Hopefully we will start November better, and so I can start recovering my portfolio performance. Thank you very much. Let me know if you have lost any money this month or if you have bought any stocks. I'm really interested in it.